Did you know that over 60% of adults in the United States don't have an estate plan? What if I told you that securing your family's future could be easier than you think? Stick around and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Cindy Kang, founder of CMK Law Group. I'm an estate planning and business attorney in California, and I help families with their estate planning needs. I also support entrepreneurs with their business formations and business law requirements. In this episode, we're diving into the fundamentals of estate planning, offering you a simple guide to navigating this essential process in securing your family's future. The challenge many individuals face is the misconception that estate planning is complex and only for the wealthy. However, the truth is that regardless of your financial status, estate planning is crucial for protecting your assets, ensuring your wishes are followed, and safeguarding your loved one's future. So let's break it down step by step, starting with understanding what estate planning entails and why it's vital for you and your family's well-being. You might have heard the term before, but what exactly is estate planning? Well, estate planning is basically making a plan for what happens to your stuff when you're not around anymore. It involves things like writing a will, setting up trusts, and making decisions about who should get what. Now, you might be wondering, why is estate planning so important? First, it gives you control over what happens to your belongings. Without a plan, your assets could end up in the wrong hands or tied up in legal battles. Imagine you're a parent with kids. Estate planning isn't just about money. It's about making sure your children are taken care of if something were to happen to you. By creating an estate plan, you can choose who will raise your kids and make sure they have the financial support they need. So when should you start thinking about estate planning? Honestly, the sooner the better. Whether you're young or old, having a plan in place gives you peace of mind and ensures your wishes will be respected. Trust me, it's never too early to start planning for the future. In California, estate planning typically involves drafting several essential documents, including a revocable living trust, a pour-over will, a durable power of attorney, and an advance healthcare directive. Let's break down what each of these documents does and why they're important. So first, we have the Revocable Living Trust. A Revocable Living Trust is a legal document that allows you to transfer assets to a trustee, who then holds and manages your assets on behalf of your beneficiaries. In practical terms, putting your assets into this type of trust doesn't change your level of control over your assets whatsoever while you're alive. But putting your assets in trust like this helps you avoid probate, maintains privacy, and provides for your loved ones in a more controlled manner when the inevitable strikes and you're no longer here. Next, let's delve into the pour-over will. A pour-over will is a supplementary document that's often used in conjunction with a revocable living trust. This will ensures that any assets not transferred into the trust during your lifetime are poured over into the trust upon your death to be distributed according to the terms of the trust. Essentially, it acts as a safety net, capturing any assets that may have been overlooked or acquired after you established your trust. Pour-over wills are crucial components of estate planning in California, providing an added layer of security and ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes, even if unforeseen circumstances arise. Continuing, the Durable Power of Attorney, or POA, is another vital document in estate planning. This legal instrument designates someone to manage your financial affairs in the event that you become incapacitated or are otherwise unable to make decisions for yourself. Unlike a general power of attorney, which may become invalid upon your incapacity, a durable power of attorney remains in effect, offering continuity and stability in managing your financial affairs. By appointing a trusted individual as your agent, you ensure that your assets are managed responsibly and according to your wishes, even if you're unable to do so yourself. Lastly, the Advance Healthcare Directive, completes the comprehensive estate planning package. This document allows you to outline your preferences for medical treatment and appoint a healthcare agent to make medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to communicate your wishes. With an advanced healthcare directive, you can specify the types of medical interventions that you desire or decline, ensuring that your healthcare preferences are respected and relieving loved ones of the burden of making difficult decisions during stressful times. Together, these documents form a robust, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Now that you know the essential documents in estate planning, let's explore the benefits of having a comprehensive estate plan in place. But before that, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to educate families and help secure your future. Firstly, imagine this scenario. You're involved in a serious accident and become incapacitated. Without an estate plan in place, important decisions about your healthcare and finances would be left up to the courts. This could lead to delays and confusion during an already stressful time for your loved ones. With an estate plan, however, you can appoint someone that you trust to make these decisions on your behalf through that durable power of attorney or the advanced healthcare directive that we discussed earlier. This ensures that your wishes are followed and that your family can focus on supporting you during your recovery. Secondly, let's talk about your children. If something were to happen to you and your spouse, and God forbid you were not able to come home tonight after work, who would take care of your kids? Without a designated guardian in your estate plan, the court would have to step in and make that decision for you. By naming a guardian in your will, you have the peace of mind of knowing that your children will be raised by someone you chose and that you trust. Lastly, let's consider the financial aspect. Without proper planning, your estate could be tied up in probate for months or even years, draining your assets and leaving your loved ones with unnecessary stress and expenses. By creating a trust as part of your estate plan, you can avoid probate entirely, ensuring that your assets are distributed quickly and efficiently to your chosen beneficiaries. So, as you can see, estate planning is about more than just paperwork. It's about protecting your loved ones and ensuring that your wishes are carried out, even when you can't be there to advocate for yourself. It's about providing clarity and security for the people you care about the most. So there we go. We've covered the basics of estate planning, and in our next videos, we'll be discussing and sharing more tips and insights about estate planning as well as some small business law topics. Remember, estate planning is crucial for everyone, regardless of your wealth levels. Start planning today to get your affairs in order and have that peace of mind. Consult with a qualified estate planning attorney, or if you're based in California, consider reaching out to us using the link in the description box below for personalized guidance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and feel free to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.